Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download GTmetrix reports for page speed improvements, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for GTmetrix, which is www.gtmetrix.com. Once the page loads, locate the input box at the center of the screen. Enter the URL of the website you want to analyze. Click the Test Your Site button. Wait for the analysis to complete, which may take a few moments. Once the report appears, you'll see the performance scores and recommendations. Scroll down to view the detailed insights, including page speed and other metrics. To download the report, look for the download icon or button on the page. Click on the download option and choose your preferred file format. Save the file to your computer. Open the downloaded file to review the detailed report. Check for any critical performance issues highlighted in the report. Take note of the recommended improvements for your website's speed. Use this information to make necessary adjustments to enhance your website's performance. Consider running the test multiple times to track your progress after making improvements. Return to GTmetrix periodically to ensure your site remains optimized. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.